Yes, nahwakanie Mukhotso files wanyana huwachinga ate womushaha ngo hupirisandi subscribinga umine hukade hahole haringiri hade nga hahole haringiri of course unabango receiving ataka notification buli sikurera yo content umushaha uhibirira hu commentinga ba hu likinga ate wa sharinga tawe luna hulwesha lero hulihukania hu love wantinti. Nenga specifically, I am throwing my jabs to Bachelema. Bachelema, you like saying what a man can do, a woman can do. Ilioshe sindihukana hubenga hungaya ho. Bachelema, how do you feel every time it is about us? Ifenyo huita waba kwana ho na hutia wakware ulihubone habulai na complimenting na mawo na fano teoruba musale wo nenga there is something I'm pursuing na mawo di please let's share your contact wambahe number yo nandi I just want to be a friend you know not andi hand yo kwegamba wanjende sakana jinaji ni halandi hutenta hoksi just because of you. But how do you feel if we can do it this way around? Bamai, Bachelema, nafe basit, who can approaching ho, nafe kubeho feeling into a range signal mobamo, Gahuri Huba, Kanikayu, Gamruchen, Sakana Jinaj. You approach to me, Umpole, Lucano Mori. Hey, Ori Mukhotso, this is how I feel about you. Obori, Mutoboya, this is how I feel about you. In Gonata, I'm having sleepless nights because of you. In Diata, like, Obombi Yeho, Nenga, Ohombi, Biohutakara, you know, Wamanya imbebange Huhu Kukuna, Ikukune Furera, so you don't feel the pinch. Wambasorimba Hunda Wakara, so you neglect by Nenga Atewashe. Luluara imbeba ya rukukunire so hukana nafo nanywe muhukukuneho wite you approach me you propose to me nafe kwigurira hobula inga basetsa it shouldn't be all the time about you but ife kubatabulira but if yes mbola muri hey I wasn't ready you know I need some time to think about it you know A B C D blah blah nafe hukana hulume hobitere hukule hobususu hulume bususu futse come on ungwane hombulire bulai imali nkulobendi I'm not ready but maybe I'll give it a second thought. Can you give me your number? Maybe. If I get an answer, I'll share it with you definitely. Kwegamba, ni ulireho ungupire simingulo man. Hey, I'm busy. Maybe I'll get back to you shortly. Imagine uhupira. You get that? Kukutia nireha hundu. Kwegamba. Urie no mayori bo manyakala ngwa no mahuluna hulona halala every time you are apologizing even to the mistake that you have not committed. But hey, I'm sorry if I went wrong. I know, you know, this feeling love wanting to every time the father hobirio. Yes, watching Mukhotso files. Keep logged in. Uhabanga ulehera otawe. Let's keep the fun flowing. Tayo watching, liking, commenting, ato sharing, ni basare bogo. Wangabuli ni X. You know what you have to be matteringa mubulamu. Uhamwikalire bulafuta mwinviting it's abone Mukhotso. Comment Mukhotso files some more there is interesting videos there. It's abenga subscribinga. You keep the love flowing. Uhamwikalire bulafu because you hate him or her. You know Balomabari at the climax of hate there is love. Ukasowuliranga umundu mwayawuhana nenga wamuchawa nabi manyoro ushiri mu captivity iye humukana so hukana hoko niyo kurera buchai so uhachawa nabi wibirira humulakirira isibira ibiri tawe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and have a good night.